Are you looking for info about second-hand furniture? You're in the right place. Discover the charm and value of used pieces like the Wood Bros Old Charm dining table. With free delivery options, it's never been easier to elevate your dining space while staying budget-friendly. Let's talk about the top 3 mistakes people make when looking for second-hand furniture. Many rush into purchases without checking the quality, set unrealistic budgets, or ignore size compatibility. Understanding these issues not only saves time, but ensures satisfaction with your selections. To avoid these mistakes, always inspect the furniture in person, check the condition carefully, and research prices online. Ensure the size matches your space to avoid any regrets later. What makes second-hand furniture so special? Each piece tells a story and adds character to your home. The Wood Bros Old Charm dining table not only serves as a focal point for meals, but is also an eco-friendly choice that embodies both style and sustainability. With options like Old Charm second-hand furniture dining tables, you find pieces that blend seamlessly into modern homes. Explore your local markets or online shops for exquisite finds that match your unique style. Let's tackle some frequently asked questions regarding second-hand furniture. Many buyers inquire about the durability of older pieces or the logistics of delivery. Knowing the right questions to ask can help streamline your shopping experience. Ready to transform your space? Click the link to buy and explore stunning options like the Wood Bros Old Charm dining table with free delivery at h8/ebay.us/m/viewmeb8. Embrace the elegance and sustainability of second-hand furniture today.